Chapter 10 Circles. Topics to be discussed: circles and its related terms. There are so many terms and you must know them, like radius, diameter, center, arc, chord, sector, secant, etc. We will discuss one by one. Angle subtended by a chord at a point, perpendicular from the center to a chord, circle through 3 points, equal chords and their distances from the center, angle subtended by an arc of a circle. At the last we will discuss cyclic quadrilaterals. So let us start with the definition of circle. The locus means path of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. A point is moving suppose this point A. This point A is the moving point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point, the fixed point is O, is always constant. You can see these two distances are equal. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. Further, the fixed point and the fixed distance are called center and radius respectively. The radius may be defined as the line segment joining the center to a point of the circle. The circle is denoted by C, the first letter of circle, a small bracket, O, center, O, R, a small r, for the fixed distance, radius r. We can say a circle can be specified if we know its center and radius. हम उस सर्कल को खींच सकते हैं यदि हम उसका सेंटर जान रहे हों और उसका रेडियस जान रहे हों. Chord, the line segment joining 2 points of a circle. We can also say that chord is the line segment having endpoints on the circle. Circle is the path, this path only. Here line segment AB has endpoints at the circle, so it is a chord. Diameter. the chord passing through the center. Here CD is the chord, here CD is the diameter, and we can write it as CO plus DO. We know that they are equal, so CO plus CO by the definition of circle. So 2CO is equal to 2 radius. That's why diameter of circle is equal to 2 into radius. Arc, the continuous piece of a circle. We can also say the end points of the chord divides the circle into two parts, and each part is called an arc. The larger piece is called major arc, and minor one is called, and a smaller one is called minor arc. This is minor arc. It is named as minor arc AB. This is the symbol for arc AB. This is major, so we can write it as major arc AB. This is the symbol of arc. Now semicircle. It is half of the circle. If we draw a diameter in a circle, then we get two equal pieces. Each of them is called a semicircle. So semicircle is an arc also. There is a popular question in this regard. What is the perimeter of the circle with radius r? Justify your answer. We know that perimeter is the length of boundary. It means semicircle here means semicircular region. So it should be bounded. So its perimeter will be diameter AB plus length of semicircle arc AB. This is 2r plus 1 by 2. We know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So half of 2 pi r. 2 is cancelled. We take common r. So this is equal to r into pi plus 2. Point with respect to a circle in plane. Circle divide a plane into three parts. One, interior of the circle. Interior of the circle points are C, O, E. Exterior of the circle means outside the circle. Interior means inside the circle. Exterior means outside the circle. So in the exterior of the circle we have points D and F, and on the circle we have the points A, B. Let us define circular region. Circular region, the region containing the points on the circle and those inside the circle. Let us define segment. Here AB is the chord. It divides the circular region into parts. This one is first part made with minor arc, and this one is second part made with major arc. So this is named minor segment. It is made up with minor arc. This is called major segment. So segment is the part of the circular region obtained on drawing a chord. Now sector. Here you can see that this part is a sector which is minor sector because it is bounded with minor arc. So we can say that sector is the part of the circular region bounded with an arc and the radii through the end points of the arc. Sector, the part of the circular region bounded with an arc and the radii. Radii is the plural of radius. Bounded with an arc and the radii through the end points of the arc. This sector is made up with major arc, so this is major sector. A line with respect to a circle. This is a circle, this is a line. This line does not intersect this circle, so this is named non-intersecting line. This line intersects the circle at 2 points, so this is named secant. This line intersects the circle at only 1 point, P, so this is named tangent. This P is called point of contact. Circumference of a circle. This is the perimeter of the circle. You know that this is equal to 2 pi r. Now concentric circles. You see here two circles with the same center. So concentric circles are the circles with the same center.